What's up guys, I hope you all are doing great, and quite a few times you might have seen many creators using a table like this. It can be automatic or height adjustable, but you might have seen all the creators using a table like this. So like a table, you might have seen many creators using their phone or tablet like this also, holding on a support, but quite a few times the device doesn't stick to the table, or it might fall down, or it can be broken, or the screen can also get damaged. So what is the solution that you don't have to give an additional support to the device, and at the same time during your work or during the production time you also want your device to stand still and you want to see some content or any other thing on the social media? For that, a company named AboveTek developed a solution, and that solution is the AboveTek, the mobile or tablet clamp holder. Yes guys, this is the clamp holder, and it's really beneficial if you want to stick your device to one place or tablet to one place and want to watch some content, or you want to do some basic stuff like watching a video, browsing social media, and you want to stick your device to one place. This thing is a go-to solution for that. And now let's roll the intro and unbox this amazing product. And by the way, the video is also sponsored by AboveTek, so shout out to them also. So it's time to unbox this amazing clamp holder. So now on opening the box, you can see there are certain parts of this clamp holder, like this holding device for, like the holder for tablet, and one holder for smartphones, and it's a one giant big holder for the big iPad Pros, I think it may be. And it's not like a very big packaging, or it's having a lot of things in between. And I am also happy that it's not having any user manual, but this thing is very heavy and is very strong, and you can see it's made up of, I think, aluminium, and it's very heavy. So the product looks really good, and now I'll keep this box aside. Now it's time to install the clamp holder, and I'll see how it goes. So first of all, you have to lose this big giant screw so that it can fit on your table, and based on the thickness of your table from here you can adjust this thing, and I think this might go up. Now I think for this clamp, this corner will be an ideal position, and you just have to open it according to the thickness of your table as I'm doing. And this side of table is very thick for me, so I will open a little bit more. Alright, so just tighten the screws when you place it, and it will certainly looks like this. So it's fitted now, and I will show you. So as you can see that it's a 360-degree moving hinge, so moving your smartphone or tablet will not be very difficult. And now I will insert the medium or large smartphone holding clamp. The installation is very easy, just you have to press this end towards the ball, and before that you just have to insert this thing and insert it to the hair and just tighten the bolt so that it will not fall away. So after doing that, my new iPad will not fall from this, and here it is. As you can see, you can rotate it and can move it anywhere. So this is very convenient if I want to read something or want to look at a document, or even if I want to see my content, I can use this as a second screen and very conveniently place it. As you can see, let me just show you. It's very convenient and it's on a very good height. So looking on this will be a charm now. So this is it, a quick look at the new AboveTek mobile or tablet clamp holder, and I really like this product. And as you can see, my new iPad is hanging, and down its floor It's a wooden floor, but I am not worrying because I know the clamp is holding my iPad very well and it will not drop it. So my review for this clamp holder is it's excellent. It's very heavy. It's made of good quality grade aluminium, and I really like this product. And thank you so much AboveTek for sponsoring this product to me. I'm really thankful to you, and I really like this product, and I would like to continue our relationship with some more product reviews also. So that's it for my review. I like this product, and I will also link this product if you want this in the description below. So do check the link if you want to buy this product, and I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting gadgets like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you like my work. I'm not saying everyone should hit the bell icon. If you really like my work and would like to contribute more towards my channel, then do hit the bell icon to stay updated with me as well. For the time being, it's time to say goodbye now, and I will see you all guys in the next one very soon.